different game says about you. If you play Basketball Zero, yeah, man, you straight up like you straight up like what's the other name? Instead of is you like playing you like what's forgot the name. I'll move on to that. If you play the brain rot, you definitely watch YouTube. No ways you don't watch YouTube. And if you play Roblox Rivals, that's like me, you're an OG. And if you play 99 Nights, you learn a lot. You learn a lot. You learn a lot. You learn how to like survive by your own, or survive with other teammates, teamwork, or solo. If you are going solo, and you're lost, you can survive better and stuff. So I'd recommend you play 99 Nights, and it's actually having admin abuse. I don't know what's the other update, but if you play, please donate. You like money. You like money. No, no, straight up, you like money. You are the type of person who always wants money for free instead of working for the money. You always want money for free. Yeah, you're that type of person. If you play the Stones Battleground, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that one. But Rivals, the best of mine for me. If you play Rivals, bro, you've been through a lot. You've been through a lot, and if you're like in Rivals, if you're like 100 and something, if you're like 140 something, elo, is it even elo? No, you're rated 100 something, and you're a nemesis. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you just you're too good, and you're always focused on the game. You don't even sleep. Some of you guys don't even sleep. Oh yeah, I think I remember the name. If you play basketball, you like you like being toxic. You're like toxic is your middle name. Toxic is your middle name. Like and subscribe for more. So next time, stay awesome.